Most real estate agents failed on YouTube because of just one single mistake. They hired a good editor, they hired a good cameraman, they make a good video. But when they upload the video flops. It's only got 200 views or 300 views because of just single mistake. If you don't know me, my name is Zed. I'm a thumbnail designer and YouTube manager. I work with mainly in finance niche like real estate, crypto, Shopify, you name it. So let's begin. I made a Miro board for you to understand easily. I collect some thumbnails to show you what's good and what's not. In this thumbnail, you can see there is a lot of text, a lot of random elements. Just he throw everything he can in the thumbnail. In this thumbnail, you can see he add a lot of text, 6 million Dubai villa renovation. And the title is sound the same as the thumbnail text. It's a really bad thing. In this thumbnail, he add a gradient text style that is not good in this niche because only serious people watch real estate and these type of videos and they don't like it. All right. You can see this one. There is a lot of text again. You can see a lot of text. In real estate niche, most of creators do a same mistake using a lot of text, random elements, just make the thumbnail cluttered. I made a three simple rules if you want to make your thumbnail good. So just follow it and you will see the progress. First is, so rule number one is instant clarity. If the video is about a house and the pricing, show the house and the price. If the video is about to tell something about the property, show them. If the video is about something knowledgeable, like invest here or don't do that, show show that on your thumbnail. Like when you see the movie poster, like a Marvel, you know it's an action movie. When you see a horror poster, you know it's a horror movie. Do that same thing with your thumbnails. Rule number two, less is more. As I said here, they all make same mistake adding a lot of things. Don't do that. You can see this thumbnail that just use three things, subject, text, and the background related to the video. You don't need to do all this stuff. You can see this one and the background. Make your thumbnail clean so people can understand quickly. All right. Here is a rule number three. Your title and the thumbnail need to tell the same story. I saw a lot of videos where the thumbnail tells something else and title tells something else. If the viewer click on the video by watching the title or the thumbnail and the video is not about what they click, they just leave it and it's called clickbait and it's a really bad thing for you and your channel. YouTube just launched a new feature and it's a game changer. Now you can upload three thumbnails and titles for one video because sometimes your taste is not tasty for others. You think, yeah, it's this thumbnail looks good, but for others it's not. So just make it three versions and use them and see what's work best for you and your audience. So let me show you how to do that. I'm managing my client channel, so I will just give you an example from there. When you upload your video on YT Studio, you will see this button A/B testing. Just click it, and you can see you can upload three thumbnails and three titles for a one video, and it's really grateful and game changer for you. All right, that's it for now. If you need any help, just DM me on Instagram, and if you have any question, just comment below and yeah, see you soon.